Some come with screw and others come with clip. But if you own this kind of Corolla, this is how to do it. Reach down the glove box, push from left to right. As you can see, you don't need any tool to fix this or remove your cabin air filter. Just pull gently out of this hole. You see, very easy, very easy. And so in less than 5 minutes, you are done replacing your cabin air filter. Now let's look out for the cabin air filter. Right here on your dashboard, hold down the pin, eject the cover. Can you see? It's very dirty and dusty. As you can see, this cabin air filter is very dusty, and a lot of you do not like dust. So it's best to replace your cabin air filter